Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 546, and today I am going to discuss the understanding of lockdown quarantine, because now we are living in the world of coronavirus and disease is COVID-19. Globally, we are trying to understand and following, and masses should understand the meaning of lockdown. Actually, the lockdown means simply social and physical distancing. That is under one cover, that is called lockdown. And why we are following globally this? So that it is infectious disease, COVID-19. It is transmitted from one man to other man. One person can infect more than two people. So it is exponential contamination is there or infection is there. That's why the best method is only defense. Of course, for any disease, first we have to understand the type of disease. We all masses should understand. So mainly there are two type of disease. One is called lifestyle disease. First one is called due to disease, and second is due to virus and bacteria. So there are two possibilities of to be diseased. One is due to lifestyle, due to metabolic disorder, due to blood pressure, due to oxidative stress, due to food. They are diabetes, they are blood pressure, and so many other metabolic disorder diseases. They are not going to be transferred from person to person. There is no infection. That is called lifestyle disease. So for such type of diseases, we don't need any social distancing. When I say social distancing means it should be 6 feet or 2 meters between two persons. The second one is that is disease caused by virus and bacteria. Now the virus and bacteria, they are always there to infect us, and once we are getting infection due to these two, one is non-living, virus is always non-living, remember it, and bacteria is living, but virus is having all genetic material. Once they are absorbed by our normal cell, and where our normal cell, if I am saying, means dendritic cell, that is very important cell, that is super cell in our body, and because of dendritic cell we are having immunity against many virus and bacteria. That is the super medicine, we can say, natural medicine for immune system. So once our any virus is coming, if our dendritic cells, they will recognize, they will immediately kill them. So you are free. But if in case it is not done, then you will be carrier, and from you the other person can be infected, both in virus and bacteria. Bacteria is living organism. So for example, two ways are there to fight these diseases, this virus and bacteria, either defensive or offensive. Even for enemy, if you are getting any enemy, you have only two options. Either you go and fight with your enemy, or you lock down in your house so that when enemy goes, then you can come out. There are some countries, I think it's almost 21 countries in the world, out of more than 200 countries, they are following offensive. They have not locked down, they don't have social distancing, they don't have physical distancing. They are, so I was telling you that there are more than 20 countries, they are not following social distancing or physical distancing. Their market, every gathering, all the functions, marriage, ceremony is going on normal. But majority of the countries, they are following lockdown. Lockdown means social and physical distancing. Social distancing means outside gathering, marriage ceremony, naming ceremony, birthday, going to picture hall, going to marketing complex. That is called social distancing. Physical distancing means inside house, even anywhere. You have to maintain at least 2 meter or 6 feet distance so that there is very little chance of getting infected. And the reason is that this lockdown is very important for those countries who are having 200, 300 million or 1 billion population, because we don't have any such type of technique or testing kit to test each and every individual. So the latest report says that there are up to 40% carrier and they are asymptomatic, means they don't have any symptom of coronavirus, they don't have high fever, they don't have dry cough, and they are carrier. And if they are living inside the house, they are potential threat to be infected, to cause the infection to other family members. So that's why even inside house, it is better to maintain so that its incubation period is over from 2 weeks to 6 weeks. Within that time, at least we are not 100% sure, because now this coronavirus has come to stay, to become the part of our life, and post-coronavirus period is going to be different from today, because we have to follow a lot of hygienic habits. We have to go for sanitization, and then lot of other places, scanning at airport, many places, lot of things will be there in order how to live with coronavirus now in a new strain that is called new coronavirus. Now come to this word, that is understanding of lockdown and quarantine. Actually, lockdown and quarantine, they have little different meaning. Lockdown means you are following the preventive measure so that we are not infected. Quarantine means the already, some infection is there. Still, they are not sure whether it is your high temperature and whatever parameter they are using, but it is showing positive that you are the carrier of virus or bacteria. So they put in separate place on medication if it is necessary. That is called quarantine. And the word quarantine came from the time of Abu Sina. That was in 1100 year, and he was the top-ranked scientist, philosopher, and expert in medicine. So it was his idea or method of treating such type of disease like plague. And then it was Arabic term. Quarantine means 40 days. And then Italian came to Arab word Persian, because the Abu Sina was Persian philosopher and scientist. Just like today's scientist is very popular, Einstein. So he was the Einstein of year 1000 globally. And the whole science was with Arabs and Persians. Slowly it was taken away by the Greek and Western world. So it was he who gave this concept of separating. If someone is having, at that time it was very common, that is known as plague. So Italians also followed, and Italians, they converted that 40 into quarantine. Quarantine means, Italian word means 40 days. So they used to put on 40 days if some ships are coming. In 1300, when there was outbreak of plague, so first they will stop the ship, and all those who were in the ship, they were put on separate place for 14 days, and they will be under observation and medication. After that, when they are satisfied, they were released. Even up to 50s, 60s, in America also they are following. near New York, there is one hill area where there is a Liberty Statue. Side by that area, there is one specific town. They call it that is the place of quarantine. When people used to come by ship in 50s from Asia or Africa, they used to put there for quarantine. So quarantine means you are suspected or you are carrier of some disease, so that to make sure that you are not going to be the person to spread or to infect the other people. That is the meaning of quarantine. And then why we are doing, what is the meaning of pandemic and then epidemic? Endemic means that if suppose somewhere some disease is there, once it is only within the city or within the village, it is there, it is not pandemic. Once it is within the country, epidemic or endemic. But if it is spreading and sparking globally, then it is called pandemic. It is no more restricted to any country or any city. And then it is the duty of WHO to issue their advice, and it is up to the government, it is their choice. And of course, to put on either quarantine or on social distancing, federal government or state governments legally they can do for the benefit of the masses and population, so that there should not be any mass scale spreading. And in this case, whatever government, any government is doing, masses should cooperate. And that's why I'm saying should try to understand. It is for your benefit, so that you are not victim, because it is exponential. Growth is very fast. Within no time, it will start from double digit, it will become 3 digit, from 10 to 100, 100 to 1000, 1000 to 50,000, and then 100,000. So to check that, it is better to follow two things, that is called lockdown. Lockdown means social and physical distancing. Quarantine means it is giving some indication due to temperature, due to some other medical parameters, that you are the potential carrier of either coronavirus or any virus or bacteria, so that you are under investigation, under treatment till everything is clear. So cooperate with your doctors. There are some cases in India where the population everywhere, everybody is not having scientific knowledge. Everybody doesn't understand the meaning of quarantine, the meaning of social distancing, the meaning of physical distancing, the meaning of lockdown. So they think that the group of doctors or government people are coming unnecessary to disturb them. So they were attacked. Your doctor is coming to save you, not to disturb you, not to destroy you, to protect you from your such type of pandemic, such type of viral, very lethal disease, that is COVID-19. So please cooperate with your nurses, with your doctors, with your government, so that they can do. I know, I can understand very well the impact of this COVID-19. It has very big psychological impact, financial impact. The whole globe is now in recession. The growth is negative. The petroleum, crude oil, everything is in negative. Nobody is there to buy, no human activities. It is really hell. But first is our existence. And after that, secondary, we can recover. But once we are not there, everything is lost. So for sake of knowledge, I am just sharing my this knowledge so that people should understand and should cooperate. It has very big meaning. It has scientific meaning. It has medical meaning, just to protect you and be defensive, so that by that time when the graph is, we call flat, because graph will go maximum casualties and slowly it will come down, and once cases are not there, we call it, when it is graph is straight line, then there will not be lockdown, there will not be social and physical distancing. So with this I will stop. And nowadays, time to time, I will be sharing in a very simple language so that masses can understand the meaning of all these things like quarantine, pandemic, epidemic, endemic, and social distancing, lockdown, physical distancing, and its importance. Please cooperate to your all agencies, government as well as medical personnel. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.